karon sa iStore Ayala Center Cebu. That's iStore. Karon, we will attend a session regarding how to take pictures, I mean quality pictures. So, tana, mga aras, kuyugi ko!
Right? And we use the different effect bounce. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before, very familiar. I think a lot of you guys use it on your social media, specifically Instagram. There's a different term to that. It's called boomerang. Yeah. So, right? So, before I learned this, I had no idea that you could put a boomerang on your phone on the iPhone gallery. The last feature is the long exposure. This one's a little bit more technical, you know, with motion blur. This is more involved with motion blur. I'm not going to get into this too much. It gets a little bit more technical on photography side. We're focusing a little bit more on the basics now. Okay, so let's go back to the presentation. Do you guys use the AE law or the AF law? Or have you tried? Yeah, autofocus. The law. Have you tried? No. Okay. So since the two of them are familiar, let's do a little bit of a demo on the screen. So what you do is that you just hold it down. If you're familiar with focusing on a specific direction, just tap and it focuses on that direction. Adjusts your exposure, it adjusts your focus. But if you hold it there, you see, it comes out as AEAF lock. So what that does is that it locks the settings for your focus and your exposure to whatever you set it on and you focus there. So it keeps that effect on. So one good example of using this, I'd love to give an example. It's a little bit difficult. When you're taking moving objects, for example, somebody's crossing the street and you kind of want to capture the person in the middle when he crosses in the middle. So you set the picture, you set it as the middle, and once the person passes by in the middle, you can catch the person with the focus on them, not on anything else. Because sometimes the photos will, without the lock, your iPhone will lock onto something else that's on your camera. So that's something to look out for. It's pretty useful. So timer, pretty simple. You set up the timer if nobody's there to take the picture for you. You set it up right in front of you. You set the timer up to 10 seconds if I'm not mistaken for the iPhone, and boom, you're able to set timers. And filters, of course. Filters, pretty simple. There are built-in filters on the camera, both during the photo and post-photo in the gallery as well. So a few other features, burst mode. Everybody familiar with burst mode, where you just show it for everybody else who's watching. You just hold down the shutter button and it takes a lot of photos. You can see there are 16 photos. So this is good for taking different actions, maybe candid moments of somebody just casually doing something. You really get a good photo out of that. So optical image stabilization. This is something that's actually built in, not a feature that we can actually mess around with on the phone. For people who have shaky hands, for me, of course, I have shaky hands. I can't stabilize myself as well with my hands. We are able to optimize that so that when you take a picture, it's not as blurred unless the subject that you're taking is moving, so that will be blurred as well. Retina flash, are you guys familiar with what retina flash is? Yes, retina flash is when you take the portrait, you take a selfie on the screen and it just flashes in your face. Sometimes that scares me as well. When you're taking a selfie and you forget to turn off the flash, and then it flashes in your face, even though it's bright as hell. So panorama, catching the wide angles or wide shots. Very useful for large scenic shots. For example, I know that the picture that Joey took a picture of was in a panorama. Things like that are a good example to use a panorama. So let's just try to test it out, see if I can get the whole story, if it looks okay. So you just go to the camera, swipe a few times to panel. So I'll start here, and all I have to do is go to my right. So I guess that's good enough. So you can see it looks pretty good. I'm surprised by myself with how well it came out. So you can see shots of the entire store, a wide angle. One of the more latest things that we do have is the portrait mode. One of my favorite things nowadays. Being able to take portraits, for example, this dog earlier, which is a really great photo. Utilizing the portrait mode to be able to take proper portraits and use the depth of field properly. So I'm going to take a picture of Joey. We want to swipe to the right. You can see right there. And I'll take the photo right. So you can see, let's see in the gallery how it looks like. You see the depth of field, it's a little bit blurred in the background. It's really cool being able to create these kind of portraits for great portrait photos. So along with that, you're able to adjust that with the later phones of the iPhone. If I'm not mistaken, you can and you can, as they have the depth control, you're able to edit the depth of your the effect of the blurriness on the background. So you can try to edit that. As you can see, there's like a meter here, so that's the amount of depth that you're putting into your camera, putting into the background. So if I put it all the way to the end here, it blurs out. All you have is the subject, the portrait. But if you go all the way to the right, clear as day, like a normal photo. So play around with that. There are lighting effects as well. So we have natural light, which we used earlier, studio light, so it gives a different effect, a little brighter, contour light, more shadows, more detail. Stage light, dramatic. Very dramatic indeed. And even more dramatic, you know what makes things even more dramatic? The different effects that you can work on with the portrait mode, which is really great. We took a few before we did our session today with my coworkers. We did do a few photos using the portrait mode, so I'd like to share that with you as well. So his name is Gian. So you can look at the guy wearing glasses. We took this photo earlier. We were roaming around. We used the depth of field, and we adjusted the exposure of it so that it looks a little bit darker here, and we have a little bit more light on the background. So we adjusted the exposure and worked around that as well. What else? Let me see here. Oh, okay, Marielle. This is Marielle. Same effect as well. With the depth of field, really dramatic effect in the whole salient background. So yeah, I discussed depth control, being able to adjust, as you can see there, adjust how much it fades in and fades out. I mean, the blur of the background fades or not. So a feature that has been on iPhones for quite a while is HDR, and more recently they've implemented smart HDR. So you're able to, when your phone takes a picture with HDR, with the smart HDR set, it captures multiple frames with different exposures. So it takes different shots in one shot, and what it does, it takes the best details on the bright areas. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. So it takes the details from the bright areas and the good details of the darker areas. They analyze it. They put it together one photo for you to give the perfect balance in color and contrast for your photo. Are you guys familiar with the rule of thirds? Yes? I believe there's only one who isn't familiar. Are you familiar with the rule of thirds? Where you can turn on the grid on your camera that's in your settings. So you go to your settings, you scroll all the way down to your camera, and you can turn on your grid right there. Right now it's on already, so let's go to the camera. So like Yen said, Your focal points are your intersections. So we can see there your intersections. And the lines in between as well. So these are the best places for you. The rule is that the best places to place your subject is along the lines or along the intersection points of the picture. So let's just say we take a picture of Josh along the lines of the intersection point. So we make him the focal point, but that doesn't mean that we're not focusing on everything else. Because if we put someone in the middle of the photo, the focus point tends to be the middle of the photo only. That's not necessarily wrong though. We break rules sometimes. Rules are meant to be broken. But if you want to get away, or if you want to have different focal points of your photo, share that around. Put your subject on those lines of the grid, and we have a sample here. So you can see the rocks are the focal point of the whole thing, right? But we don't want to take away the rest of the scenery from the image as well. So we position them right, so along the lines and on the intersection points, and then your next focal point is here, where you're looking at the sunrise or sunset, whatever it is. Okay.
It seems to be like floating in the air. Yeah, so I tried to make something more invincible. This part. Yeah. And I tried to achieve it.
Yeah, I was taking photos of that as well earlier. That's what comes out. It usually blurs out this part because it's too thin.
It blends.
Yeah, it blends in
Together with the face.
How about you?
So for me, I usually like to take pictures when the subject I want to focus in is slightly off-center because it adds a little bit of story to the picture that I'm taking. So although I'm limited with the technology of this phone, let's be real, it's not a 10s, it's not 10s. Pero I made the most, I think, of what I have. So this is the end product. So I darkened the background a little bit lang, so it adds more focus on the front, and I placed the subject a little off-center, so it gives a bit of drama to it. So that's
Very dramatic.
It's the most that I did. So I hope you guys like it.
Very.
So I made the backside, the camera, burn the focus, and making like an interesting photo na BTS behind the scenes.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it blurred it a little bit the background because still the candle holder was still the focus of it, and also her focus of her picture. So and then I crop it out. Sometimes there are unnecessary things outside, so I crop a little bit of so that the focus would be that way.
Added the filter dramatic cool, or is it dramatic? So yeah, it's like it's floating.
Yeah, it had the same effect with you. I also tested it out as well. It's really hard to get that, but it's cool. You pretty much put it to the max, almost to the max. You give that little bouquet effect. I don't know if you've heard of that. Okay. With the lights in the background, so it's really good. Really nice contrast.
This is the best photo that I can have taken. I didn't use filter because I want it to be raw. And then I also used the rule of thirds. And then I made sure that the lines are straight. It's not tilted. And there's also depth of field. There's foreground, background, and depth.
So there you have it, mga adas. The session was done. It took 30 minutes and it was just a 30-minute session. And guess what? English ang ilang gigamit. Medyo nagdugo akong ilong pero carry-ra. So, hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. And this is Adelaide and you're watching Ma2ke TV.
Didn't even get to cross.